Welcome to the Summer Home Maintenance Checklist video. Follow these 9 essential tasks to keep your home in top shape during the summer. Start by inspecting and cleaning your air conditioning system. This will ensure optimal performance and energy efficiency throughout the summer months. Next, check and clean your gutters and downspouts. This will prevent water damage and ensure proper drainage during summer storms. Inspect and repair your deck or patio. Look for any signs of damage or rot, and make necessary repairs to ensure a safe and enjoyable outdoor space. Trim and prune your trees and shrubs. This will promote healthy growth, prevent overgrowth, and enhance the overall appearance of your landscape. Check and clean your outdoor grill. Remove any grease buildup and ensure all parts are in good working condition for summer barbecues. Inspect and seal your windows and doors. This will improve energy efficiency and keep your home cool during hot summer days. Clean and maintain your swimming pool. Regularly check the water chemistry, clean the pool filters, and ensure proper circulation for a refreshing summer swim. Inspect and clean your outdoor lighting. Replace any burned-out bulbs and clean fixtures to create a welcoming ambience for your outdoor gatherings. Lastly, check and maintain your irrigation system. Ensure proper watering of your lawn and garden while conserving water during the summer months.